Okay, it's the hybrid shawl. Okay, chain 10. Join straight. Right, chain 3. Then 23 double crochet into the center of the ring, so 24 total counting this, so 24, that's the end of the row. One, 2, 3. Turn work. Two, 3, 4, 5. Now chain 4, start 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, double crochet, chain 1 between, double crochet, chain 1 between, 4, 5, 23, 24, now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and start your front posts. 1 front post double crochet, chain 1 onto the next, front post double crochet onto the next until you have 24 total. Chain 7. In the pattern it says to place your stitch marker into the second chain for the next row, so you would chain 2, put your stitch marker in there and do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn your work, skip those first 2 spaces and half double crochet into the 3rd space. Chain 3. Skip the next space, single crochet into the next space. That's 1. Chain 3 and do the same thing. Skip this next space, single crochet into the next one. Chain 3. Single crochet into the next space. Chain 7. skip a space, double crochet into the next space, chain 2, skip a space, double crochet into the next space, chain 7, skip a space, single crochet into the next space, chain 3, skip a space, single crochet into the next space, chain 3, skip a space, single crochet into the next space, chain 3. Now skip a space, half double crochet into the next space, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half double crochet into the top of the double crochet from the previous row, and that is the end of row 5. It will look like this, and that's the start of your first repeat. And then you would chain 3, turn your work, and double crochet 9 more double crochets into that chain space, so that's 10, and single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet into the chain 3 space, and in this next chain 7 space you're going to do 10 double crochets, 1, 2, 9, 10. Now double crochet into the top of double crochet from the previous row. I like to go in and under this part of the stitch right here where this little strand of yarn comes up around here. It makes the ladder stay straighter up and under that part of the stitch, and double crochet, chain 2, double crochet into the top of the next double crochet, and 10 double crochet into the next chain 7 space, 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, single crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet into the chain 3 space, the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, and 9 double crochets into the final chain 7 of the row, 2, 8, 9, And where you would have put your stitch marker in, you're going to double crochet into there so it makes the shawl stay straight at the top edge. And there you go. And that is after row 6. Now on to row 7. I like to chain 3 and then turn my work. I feel like it looks cleaner. And double crochet into the next 9 double crochets from the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, so that's 10. Single crochet into the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, and double crochet into the next 10 double crochets. 2, 3, 9, 10. Double crochet into the top of the double crochet from the previous row again. Create that ladder. Again, I like to go underneath that extra part of the stitch to make the ladder nice and straight. Chain 2, double crochet into the top of the double crochet from the previous row, the other side of the ladder. And again, 10 double crochets to mirror this side. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. Single crochet into the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, and again double crochet into the next stitch, and repeat that until there's 10, 2, 3, 9, and the 10th one into the top of the chain 3 from the previous row. And we are done with that row, and that's how it looks after row 7. Now row 8. Chain 4, turn your work, double crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, and repeat 8 more times. 1, 7, 8. Now chain 1, half double crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch from the next shell, chain 1, repeat 9 times till you have 10, 9, 10, chain 1, double crochet into the top of the double crochet from the previous row. So keep the ladder going. Chain 2, double crochet into the top of the next double crochet from the previous row, chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch of the shell, chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch, and repeat that 8 more times till you have 10, 9, 10, chain 1, half double crochet into the chain 3 space, chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch of the shell, chain 1, double crochet into the next stitch, keep going until you're at the end of that shell and you have 10, 9, and chain 1 and 10. You'll double crochet into the top of that chain 4 from the previous row. And 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 4, turn your work,